I'm Steph from Simplicity Happens, and today we're going to take these adorable clip art characters and turn them into a keychain bag tag for our children's book bags. So stick around with me and I'll show you how we can do it. And if you're enjoying my videos, please just hit that subscribe button and subscribe so you can learn how to make your own clip art and learn about more fun activities for your kids that are 2 through 6. All right, stick with me. If you're wondering where to find these adorable clip art creations, you can search on my YouTube channel and find the clip art people tutorial, which is 30-ish minutes, but it'll show you how to make your own clip art creations. If you are totally not into making your own clip art, you can head on over to my shop on simplicityhappens.com and you can download your own bundle of clip art, or you can just purchase a keychain straight from my site and I'll make one for you. I also have a shop on Etsy with these listings as well. So go ahead and check those out if you are interested. First, we're going to print out our clip art creations on printable shrink sheet paper. All right, the next step is to cut out the clip art creations, and you will notice that I did leave a little bit of room at the top, except I kind of forgot about it on this one. But on all the other ones, I left a little room for the hole punch, which I'll show you next. The next step is to hole punch the tops so that we can insert our keychain after we're done with the next step, which is to put these creations in the oven. The next step is to place the clip art creation on a cookie sheet or a baking sheet for the oven and preheat the oven to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, the adult should be in charge of this part of the process, and adult supervision is required at all times if you are working with your children. Next, we're going to place the baking sheet into the oven once it's ready. I set the timer for 1 minute. My instructions say 1 to 2 minutes, but you can see it's already starting to melt. So I'm gonna pull it out because I think it's ready. Once you pull it out of the oven, you slam a book down on it because it's gonna be in the process of melting. And then you can pull the book up. And as you can see, it's completely flat. All right, now we're gonna put the next one. Okay, as you see, it kind of starts to melt up like that. And then it's gonna melt back down a little bit. And once it kind of starts going back down is when I'm gonna take it out and flatten it with the book. All right, now it's time. All right, so I just flattened it down with the book. Be very careful as you take it off the pan. And as you can see, there it is now. All right, now I have the bigger keychain in. All right, as you can see, it's starting to curl up. And this is kind of a neat process to watch. And once it starts to curl back down, that's when I'm going to take it out and flatten it with the book. So here it is, it's coming back down, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it out now. I just flattened that one with the book as well. Now pick it up. Give it a little bit of time too in between flattening it and picking it up just in case it's a little hot. All right, and this is the last one. I'm just gonna wait for it to curl and then come back down. And as it's coming back all the way down, I'm gonna take it out. All right, so there it goes. I'm gonna wait for it. And as it's coming back down, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out now and flatten it. All right, and there it is flattened. And there they are with the keychains. They're adorable and so cute, and I can't wait to use them this year for my kids when they go back to school and preschool. And just so you know too, the bigger ones can be used on the book bags and the smaller ones can be used on lunch bags, but you can use them on whatever you want. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you love it, please subscribe. Also know that I give away a lot of free activities on my simplicityhappens.com website for kids 2 through 6. Lots of busy book activities and fun stuff, so go ahead and check it out. And if you haven't, please subscribe. I love making these videos and that gives me that motivation to keep going. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye.